Let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting right now at 22 cents. And yesterday we talked about the importance of 24 cents, how it has missed out on 26 cents. We had a target max of 26.5, it went to 25.9, almost there, but it has missed out, and then we had a support area at 24. Now the bad news is that yesterday's candle closed below it, and today's candle is pretty much aiming to close below it as well. So as we are getting two daily closings below the area of 24 cents, we have to pretty much assume that it is on a journey towards the area of 20 cents. Today it did drop towards 21.7, but that's not enough. I would rather expect it to go and test 20 cents, go all the way down at 20, and then over there we will start praying that okay, maybe Dogecoin will hold 20. It's a psychological support area as well, and of course it's a TS support as well. It gives a overall morale to Doge investors that okay, 20s are achieved, now we can go towards the 30. But imagine if you lose 20, the morale is gone, then things will start becoming problematic. Anyway, at this stage, it's too early to say 20 is going to be lost or anything else. All we care about right now is, can we go and conquer 24 cents or not? If we get the second daily candle closing below the area of 24 cents, then I think you should prepare for 20. And at 20, we will pray that okay, 20 holds. Because if it does, then there is going to be a higher hope for a more bullish case scenario. So far, Dogecoin has done everything. It had a cup and handle, it has delivered on it. It had a double bottom, one bottom, and this is the second bottom. This was the neckline at 20 cents again. It has delivered on this double bottom structure as well. So from all those perspectives, if you look at it, I think Dogecoin has done what it was promising. And now the only thing that is missing from Dogecoin is stability at 24 cents. As we see Dogecoin struggling, if it is not able to stabilize at the price of 24 cents, then I have to assume that okay, we are done with the top and most probably we are starting the downward journey. But I will not get bearish, and I would say that okay, yes, it is achieved. Downward journey has started. I would wait for the break of 20 cents. After that, I will get bearish, and then we will start talking about 10 cents and 8 cents. If you look at it on 4 hours, it has a double top structure as well. And of course, 20 cents is the target for Dogecoin. This double top is just another confirmation that we are seeing that okay, it is getting bearish. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.